Live streaming is on.
Okay. Good morning, Shape My City. This is Oleg speaking from somewhere on the internet. I have Maud with me.
Hi, everybody.
And we're going to do a quick 3-minute intro to publishing your pitch today and making as much of an impact as you can with your ideas, your sketches, your results from the hackathon. So I'm going to basically just quickly run you through this. What I'm going to use as a starting point is the official hack.opendata.ch platform, which you will find at hack.opendata.ch. And here you have, in addition to this handy countdown timer and all the challenges, which I'm sure you've seen already, we now have this Start Project button for any new projects that haven't begun yet, and a link to a template. And I already have opened this template, and I've made a copy of it. So you're welcome to use Google Docs to create your pitch and slides. It's quite handy because you can attach photographs and other things to it. But you're also able to download it from here in various formats and work on your slides in whatever tool you prefer. The basic idea is that as long as your pitch is available online on the web, it's easy to publish it, and it's easy for people to link on it and explore your ideas. So I'm just going to create my sample pitch here and just show you how this works with Google Docs. And then I'll show you with how else you can do that. So what I've basically have here is this Google presentation. Right now it is private to only me. So the first thing to do is to share it. And you can do that here by changing to anyone with the link and selecting editor here. This is a great way to share the presentation with the rest of your team. Just copy that link and paste it into your Slack channel, and everyone can work on the slides together. And it is basically enough also to share it with the internet, but you don't really want everybody on the internet to edit your slides, right? You just want them to see them. So for that, there's a great feature on Google Slides called Publish to the Web. So that's File, Publish to the Web. When I click this button, I get this pop-up, and it says make your content visible to anyone. And you have these two options of a link and embed. And if I just click Publish, gives you a little confirmation. Okay, I get this this text here, which I can copy and paste it into my project page. So now I have my pitch. I have this special Publish to the Web link. You can use either one of these, actually. It doesn't really matter. And then I can go back to our Hack platform, and I can use that link. So here I'm back on the hack.opendata.ch website with my link in my clipboard. And if I start a project and log in, signing in with Slack, and I'm going to see if I can, just for the purpose of this demo, sign in without Slack, just because I am working here in a browser I don't usually use. Just give me 1 second. There we go. So let me try it again. Start a project. And here I basically can start a new project, and I get some instructions. I'm going to skip those and let you read them on your own time, but I'm just going to say this is a really cool hackathon project, of course. And once I click the Save button, it should appear here on the list. So you can see here I have this yellow box with my really cool hackathon project. It doesn't have any content yet, so it's just a blank project page. And there's two things that are just really important to do here. So first of all, I can edit. And you remember that link I have in my clipboard from those Google Slides? So I can put this here into my project link. The whole iframe thing doesn't matter, really. I can just do that, click Embed Project Link. This is the important one. When I save this page, Oh, I get a demo effect, the internal server error of doom. It is possibly complaining about me not taking the right link. Maud, are you still hanging in there? So
I'm happy that the internal error was solved by the HTML trick.
that's just awesome when you're trying to present something, get something else. I think the reason of the error is that you really should take this link.
Yeah, not the framed
and
link.
not the iframe.
Yeah.
That used to work, and I will look into finding out.
I guess if you put it directly in the editing text editing thing, it would work.
That's true. Yeah, that's a really good point. So if I go back to my project and click edit, I can also put my link here into side of the pitch section. So this is something like this is a free text section, so you can write something like, we did some great work here today, and here is our presentation. So if you encounter any errors, if you have any problems, feel free to put your link in here, and they'll be shown nicely. This project link there's only one of them. It goes right at the top of the page, and the embedding option tries to make it nice and presentable. So anyway, that's the basic idea of attaching your pitch. I want to just quickly show you how to do that. If you have if you're using a PowerPoint on your local machine, or LibreOffice, or some other kind of thing to work on your presentation slides, we recommend tools like Speaker Deck, but this could also be Dropbox or any other place where you can just publicly upload a presentation. Your presentation is then visible on this website, and also you can take the frame here. Just take the link of that presentation, and if I go back to Hack Open Data and put my link in here into the project link, that looks quite nice as well.
Yeah, I think the takeaway is on the hack.opendata platform, you can upload pictures when they're kind of small, like 1 megabyte, if I recall.
Yes.
And links towards documents, but not whole documents. So make sure you have places to link from. That's the takeaway.
Exactly. That's a really good point. So there's also the ability to upload images right here in the editor.
But I think everybody's happy if it's kind of short.
Yeah.
So yeah, you can upload an image. You will find a way. It's pretty clearly explained.
So if you have just a small image, you can add it to your pitch. The only thing here with the editor here you got to be aware of is that only one person can edit at the same time. So if really your whole team wants to work on the presentation, we do suggest using a tool that's in the cloud, that's like Google Drive, that lets everybody be on the same page at the same time. But yeah, there's lots of great examples of projects on the hack.opendata.ch homepage. We just scroll down past our event and look at the Open Farming Hack Days in the summer, in the beginning of the fall, or the Smart City Lab Lensburg we did last week. You'll get some pitches from teams in the past, and I also really recommend going through them and getting inspired for your own presentation. One last thing: if you want to submit a video, if you're going to present a pitch, if there's anything you're trying to do and you'd like to have our support, please find us in the Slack channel technical support, and we'll be extremely happy to help you with resolve anything that you're dealing with. So Maud and I will be standing by, and the rest of the team is there to assist you.
So maybe I add a few things. I think what's very important is that your pitches are kind of super short. So that's not where you're going to explain in detail the project, but the hack.opendata platform is the place where you can explain much more, or sync with your GitHub repository or whatever repository you use to document the project. And there, that's what allows us also to talk about your project, to write our blog posts and everything. So give us the tools to talk about your projects, and give the community the tools to have to want to go on with the ideas and support you with your documentation and with your issues. So document. We know it's not the sexiest thing to do, but it's the thing that stays after the hackathon's finished, and that helps us and that helps you pitch your projects for investor rounds and all kinds of great stuff.
Thank you, Maud. It's absolutely the sexiest thing to do. Publishing your document, that's idea sex. So go do it, have fun, and good luck with the rest of the hackathon. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.